Today, let's talk about a word Japanese people use all the time. Sorry. Hey, konnichiwa, what's up? Have you ever talked with a Japanese person? We say sorry a lot. Someone bumps into us. We say, sorry. The train is late. We say, sorry. I want to talk with someone. Sorry. Even when it's not our fault. So why do Japanese people apologize so much? It's actually because of our language and culture. In Japanese, we often say sumimasen. This word is tricky because it means both I'm sorry and excuse me. We use it to apologize, to get someone's attention, to say thank you politely, and even to be respectful. So when Japanese people say sorry, it doesn't always mean I did something wrong. It can also mean I respect you, I don't want to conflict, I appreciate you, and excuse me. For us, it's communication tool to keep harmony. What about your country? That's it today. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.